Hi, my name is Muhammad Isani and my matrix number is 01DP24F1045.
Hai, Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. My name is Anur Umairah binti Nazri. My number matrix is F1033.
Hi, my name is Shazla Izzati binti Muhammad Saad and my matric number is F1044.
Nampak? Hi guys, so today our group will explain how integration is applied in civil engineering. So we will calculate the volume of a concrete slab using integration. Even when the slab's height is constant, this shows how the integration is not just for changing values but can also represent basic area and volume problems.
In our example, the slab is 305 cm long and then 165 cm wide and 5 cm thick. Even though the thickness does change, we can express the volume using defined integration for learning purpose. This helps us understand how integration is used in real engineering situation to calculate volume and material requirements.
I think I have a way to calculate the concrete slab volume. For example, to calculate the volume, we multiply the weight by the integral of the height over the slab's length. Since the height is constant at 5 cm, we treat it like a horizontal line. I will show how to calculate the concrete slab.
First of all, we need to do V equals the integral from 0 to 305 and 165 times 5 dx. And then it will be 165 times 5 and multiply the integral from 0 to 305 dx. The simplifies will be 825 times x from 0 to 305, which equals 825 times 305 minus 0, and then it will be 251,625 cubic centimeter. To convert the cubic meter, divide by 1 million, giving 0.25163 cubic meters. And then this is the final answer.
So the conclusion for this scenario is that the total volume of concrete needed for the slab is 0.25163 cubic meters. This simple calculation shows how integration helps engineers determine materials even when values like thickness are constant. In larger or more complex projects, this method becomes even more important.
And then I will explain about the objective and concepts of this integration. The objectives of this integration is to find the volume of the concrete slab using integration, and we'll use the concept of this formula, which is the formula is V equals the integral from A to B and A of dx and A of x dx. How about the conclusion of this discussion?
The conclusion is integration is one of the powerful mathematical tools and in civil, mechanical and electrical engineering. It will help engineers out there to determine the exact volume for irregular shapes, ensuring accurate resource planning, cost analysis and efficient design. In this case, we show how the volume of a concrete slab can be calculate using integration method.
That's all from us. Thank you.